Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to our channel Code Rack. So this is our build which we are going to make, and it's a supercomputer build which is a 4K raw editing PC build configuration. You can have a look at it. So we have a 4K monitor here, Asus ATX motherboard X99 i7 6800K, and this is power supply 850 watt, Corsair case. We have RAM, and we have CPU cooler, and we have GTX 1080 graphic card, and some stuff like 4K cables, HDMI cables, and this is our SSD M.2, and this is Windows. So Windows 10 Home Edition, and so come on, let's check it out. And one more, yeah. So there's a WD hard disk. Okay, so let's build this, and we'll post a video soon on building this time lapse. Thank you.
Shut up and sit down.